right, guys, so I am getting my therapy this morning. I am out in nature. I'm out here, guys. Being out here in nature is so therapeutic for me. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. Even though I shared this with you guys so many times. Just being here, guys, it is like, I don't know. It does it for me. I got a few minutes before I get back on the road to get to work. Happy Friday, everyone. If you made it this far in the vlog, I appreciate it so very much. I see a young man down there. He's doing his free workout. Exercise is so therapeutic, you know, stretching your body, moving your body. It's so therapeutic. So anyway, I just got to soak this in, y'all. I just got to soak it in. I love it. I love it so much. I love it so much. So, it's not that warm here today in Chicago. I think it's like, I hear the geese behind me. I think it's going to be like in the 70s, which is perfect weather for me. I don't know about you, but it's perfect weather for me. Unless I don't know if you're going to be able to see them. Yeah, they hang out. And when I tell you these things be pooping everywhere, they poop everywhere. But anyway, let me go ahead and get in the car. And I got a few runs to make. I got a few things to do after I get off of work today. I got to go and get my coffee. I didn't go get it last night. But yeah, guys, another thing, please let me know if you have been making these 2 ingredients viral wrap bread. Can you please let me know, what am I doing wrong? Like, what am I doing wrong? Sorry if the sun is, what am I doing wrong? I'm doing everything. Last time I thought maybe I didn't have enough of the mixture in the parchment paper. So you guys saw how I did it last night, and it was smelling so good. It was looking so good. And then, when you get ready to pull it out, it's burnt. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if you can help a sister out, that would be so awesome. They can't get no more of my bread. They can't get no more of my eggs or my cottage cheese, because I just don't know what else to do. I just don't. So anyway, let me know in the comments if you know. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. Soak it in, soak it in. Ooh, soak it in, soak it in, soak it in. Ooh. So, hey guys, I just left out from the gym, and then I needed to run to the Dollar Tree. So let me do a quick Dollar Tree haul. They put it all in a black bag, but Dollar Tree sells Mrs. Fields cookies, and they come 3 in a pack. And I used to think these were the ones that you had to like bake in the oven, but they already, made for you. So I grabbed that. I grabbed some Reynolds wrap. I thought these bandanas was so cute. Since I've been finding myself wearing like these scarves for a while, I decided that maybe I mixed it up a little bit. So I got the checkerboard one, and then the regular paisley and blue. Isn't that cute? I needed some new spatulas, so I grabbed these two spatulas right here. I thought that was pretty cool. A bag of French fries. And I was going to Walmart's after this to grab some coffee, which McCafe is my favorite, but I saw they had the Folger House classic roast, and so I decided to grab that one, and this one was only $5, and this one is, I don't know how many cups, but anyway, it's the Folger classic roast, $5. And they do sell the Coffee Mate creamer in there. This is the small one. This is the 16 fluid ounces. And this one is the Cafe Mocha, which is one of my favorites. So I don't have to go to Walmart. Well, I'm going to still end up at Walmart's. And then I needed some new shampoo. And this one says, this is the Shea Solution, and this is Curl and Shine shampoo, coconut and hibiscus. So I'm hoping that this works well for my hair. So I'll be doing my hair over the weekend, so I needed some new shampoo. I'm very skeptical about shampoos. A lot of shampoo for natural hair is kind of hard on my hair. It makes my hair feels hard, and I don't like that. I like my hair to feel soft. But those is what I grabbed from the Dollar Tree. That's just a quick one. All right, you guys, I want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed the longer vlog, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's read our Bibles and continue to get a personal relationship with our Heavenly Father. I'm getting ready to go home, jump in the shower, grab me something to eat, and I'm calling it a day. All right, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in our next upload. Bye, guys.